Well, today I'm going to redo a knife that I've had since I was a teenager. A friend of mine named Wayne gave me this knife, and I have used it on kayak trips, camping trips, and I've had it for years. And so, you know what? It's pretty banged up. It's been used a lot. And so anyway, let's redo this knife and kind of make it look a little bit better than it did. And it's been neglected. And so the weather's been kind of crazy, and it's kind of a little bit getting cold. And so let's go redo that knife and have a little fun. So let's get with it. All right, I just cleaned it. Looks really, really good. Okay. Since I washed it. And then I'm gonna take some rubbing alcohol and take just a piece of paper towel, and I'm gonna rub it down and get all the oil off of it. Which it don't have very much oil on it anyway. Golly, it's worse than you think. But I wouldn't think it had a whole lot on it because I have really wore this thing out. But you can see how dull it's getting right now. Taking all that old wax off of it. I don't put much on there. I just got through doing 2 holsters. And and I just cleaned this before a while ago with soap and water. So it dries automatically. So next we'll use this leather dye. Okay, I bought this at a leather shop. And I'm doing this on my boat, so man, that wind outside is just kicking. I just dyed 2 of my holsters that I had, and man, this stuff does a good job. But you don't want to get it on you, so if you do this, make sure you wear gloves. And this little crack, it's a little butt cracked right there. I'm just gonna leave it like that. It's not bad enough for me to repair. If it does get bad enough, I'll repair it. But I gotta find some stamps for this. I don't know if I got one or not. I don't look. I hope I do. Hope I got one. I'm being real generous with this dye because I want this to soak it all up. All right, voila. Now let's let her dry. Okay? Okay, I painted the handle. Looks a lot better, don't it? I didn't have masking tape, I just had duct tape, so we'll see if I messed up. So let's take it off and see how it worked. So far, so good. Okay. No, not too bad. Not too bad. I used engine paint because on the engine paint itself it said that you could spray aluminum, and the handle's aluminum on this. So anyway, so that's awesome. All right, I'm real happy. The handle looks new. I have to maybe clean up right there a little bit. But other than that, she looks pretty clean. Okay, we'll paint off that plastic. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do now. All right, we got some black rock leather enhancer or enricher, and so I'm going to put it on here now. Let's put it on this handle and soften this leather up, because this leather's kind of dry, and plus I put alcohol on it. So all right, that's what that looks like. Okay, we'll be real generous with this stuff. Okay, so after letting it dry 24 hours, now I'm going to wipe all the extra leather enhancer out, and it'll actually polish this leather, and it really makes the leather soft and does a great job. Since the snap was broken on it, I found a snap in my leather working kit, and so I replaced the snap, and it works good. Hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed it. So if you got an old knife, hey, pull it out and clean it up again, and you'll be glad you did. So I am mine, and I'm gonna start using mine again. And well, I never really stopped using it, but anyway, it looks a lot better, don't it? I'm real proud of it. So anyway, it was looking really rough. So I'm so glad to get it cleaned back up. Thank you, Wayne, for the knife. And I've had it for, I don't know, 30 years. Been a long time. So anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hey, it sure helps me out if you click the thumbs up. And anyway, I appreciate it. Hope you liked the video. God bless you, River Jumper out. See you on my next little adventure.